The Routledge Encyclopedia of Philosophy, or REP, is the largest and most comprehensive encyclopedia of philosophy currently available online, featuring over 2,800 entries. This video presents a tour of the encyclopedia and ways to use REP. First, let's look at the homepage. You'll see 4 menus divided into the categories Topics, Periods, Regions, Religions. Click on any of the links in these sections to browse articles in that category. For instance, Aesthetics will display all the articles we have related to that topic. The next section of the homepage shows the most read articles, most recently published articles, and free articles. Although REP is sold by subscription, the article summary, short version, for all articles is available for free, as are older versions of revised or replaced articles. Also, we make articles related to philosophical events free as part of our Highlights initiative. Finally, you'll find more information on our current highlights, news, and our playlists. Playlists are guest-edited selections of articles, similar to a playlist of songs one might create. Now, let's cover the different ways to access articles on REP. REP has both browse and search options. To search for an article, simply type keywords in the search bar. Here's an example of a search. All articles related to the search term aesthetics appear on the screen. The overview article on the topic appears first. Users can also access articles via browse. You can filter by subject overviews, topics, periods, regions, and religions. For example, selecting 19th century will return all of the articles in REP related to this period. Now let's take a closer look at REP's articles. Here is the overview article on Russian philosophy. You might notice the unlocked symbol next to the article. This indicates that all users, whether they subscribe or not, can view the full text of the article for free. All of REP's 30 overview articles covering major topics in philosophy are always available for free. All articles in REP contain an article summary. Regardless of whether the full article is free, the article summary will always be available to non-subscribers. For instance, when I click on Positivism Russian, I can read the article summary even though I am not logged in. On the right-hand side of the screen, you can see a list of related articles and related search terms. Clicking these links will take you to the search results or articles. Near the top are Share, Cite, and Print buttons. On the left-hand side of the screen, there are links to each section of the article and to the bibliography for easy navigation. You will notice a number of links in the body of the text. These are cross-reference links to other REP articles and links to sources in the bibliography. The bibliography contains a list of sources related to topics for further reading. A brief annotation is provided for all sources to help a reader determine whether the source might prove useful. Besides overview articles, REP also has biographical and thematic articles. We will now have a look at the biographical article on John Locke. When an article has been recently revised, it is indicated in the search results and article view. The layout of all articles in REP is similar, but note that we are currently reviewing a revision, version 2. This version is locked to non-subscribers, but we can still view the article summary. The article summary here is on the longer side, as the full article is also long. Article summaries are generally about 10% of the length of the main article. When we publish a new version of an article on REP, we also make the previous version available for free to all. Note that the links to the sections are not locked when I am in version 1, and I can view all of the text. Now I will log in to show how REP is different for subscribers. After you log in with your institutional credentials, all versions of the article are unlocked. This article has a number of in-text citations. These are linked to the bibliography. Users may click these links to go directly to the source in the bibliography. Now we will look at some of the other features in REP. At the top of every page on REP, you'll see About, What's New, Librarians, Free Trial, and Help links. REP has a number of dedicated menu pages with more information about the history, editorial board, and publisher of the encyclopedia. These pages, available for free to all, can provide more information about the encyclopedia. About REP provides a guide to the various kinds of articles in REP and navigation options. What's New lists the most recently published articles in REP, along with an indication of whether the article is new, a revision, or a replacement. Similar to the revised designation, new articles have a new designation. Back on the menu bar, Librarians contains information on MARC records, usage, authentication options, and promotional materials for librarians to use in their institution. A free trial can be requested for your institution using the Free Trial button. Finally, the information under Help can guide you through the functions for using and navigating the Routledge Encyclopedia of Philosophy. This concludes our tour of REP. Be sure to check the What's New page and the Highlights and News section of the homepage to find out the latest in the encyclopedia.